This is what pinagdadasal natin kay Mama Mary, especially on her feast day. The first H is be healthy. Health is wealth. Ang hirap, ang mahal, magkasakit. And you who are sick, please remember, your mission is to offer. My suffering is my offering. If Mama Mary wants you to get well, you'll get well instantly. But if you have to go to sickness, then I pray you can experience God in your suffering. Number 2, H, to be happy. Ang dami po sa atin dito, mayaman, blessed na blessed, pero miserable. Ang daming stress, daming pressure, ang tapang, ang sungit, high blood. You're not happy. And the people around you are not happy. Sisters and brothers, itong problema ng karamihan. Stress ako, kaya ipapasa ko yung stress ko sa inyo. Bahala kayo. Pass the load. It's so unfair.